Okay, sir, start. Good afternoon, students. Yes, students, as you know, our topic is square and square roots. In previous lecture, students, we discussed exercise 3.1. Today, students, we will discuss few properties of square and square root. Yes, students, your first property of square and square root is if a number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at its units place, it means the number is not a perfect square. Yes, students, if the last digit of our number is 2, 3, 7 or 8, it means this number is not a perfect square. So this is the first property. A number having a number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at unit place so this number is not a perfect square. For example, we have a number 2037. For example, our number is 2037. Now check the last digit at unit place is 7. So it means 2037 is not a perfect square. Not perfect square. Clear, students? Let's consider one more example. So suppose our number is 67,302. 67,302. Now our last digit is 2. So it means this number is not a perfect square. So our property is if a number having 2, 3, 7, 8 at unit place, so this number is not a perfect square. Clear, students? Next is second property. A number ending in odd number of zeros is not a perfect square. A number, second property, a number having a number having a number ending in an odd number of zero. Odd number of zero is never a perfect square. Perfect square. A number ending in an odd number of zero is never a perfect square. Odd number of zero means suppose your number is 10. Now count number of zero is only 1. So it means 10 is not a perfect square. In another case 100. Now count 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. Even number, it means this is a perfect square. So here we yes, because here we have odd number of 0, 1. Here we have 2 0. It means 10 is not a perfect square and 100 is a perfect square. Same 1000. 1000. Count number 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 0 order. So it means 1000 is not a perfect square. And 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0. 4. 4 is a even. So it means 10,000 is a perfect square. Clear, students? So our property is a number ending in an odd number of 0 is never a perfect square. Clear, students? Next is third property. Square of even natural number are even. Squares of even natural numbers are even, and square of odd natural number, square of odd natural numbers, odd numbers are odd. So our property is square of even natural number are even and square of odd natural numbers are odd. For example, we have a number. For example, we have number 997. 997. So last digit is 7. It means 997 is a odd number. So students, square of odd natural numbers are odd and even natural numbers are even. So these are three properties of perfect squares. Clear, students? Now we will discuss few questions of exercise 3.2. Yes, students. Exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Your first question is write 5 natural numbers which can decide by looking at their ones units that they are not a perfect squares. Dear students, your first question is write 5 numbers which you can decide by looking at their ones digit that they are not square numbers. Yes, students, here we are using first property of perfect squares. Yes, students, your first property is if your number is ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 7 and 8. If last digit of any number is 2, 3, 7 and 8, then these numbers are not a perfect square. So write any 4 numbers ending with 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Write any 4 numbers, 4 or 5 numbers. Your first number ending with 2, 112, 112. Second number ending with 3, 733. Third number ending with 7, 5000. 687. You can write these numbers of your choice. Just note the end, no, last digit. It should be 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now last number ending with 8. 72,458. So these are numbers. You just say last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, and fifth number 5,502. So these are 5 numbers which are not square numbers. We are looking just one unit place number: 2, 3, 7, 8, and 2. Yes, students, here we property which we use is if our last digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then these numbers are not a square number. So these are 5 numbers. Here, students, you can write these number of your choice. Clear, students? Next is second question. Question number second. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? What will be the unit digit of the square of the following number? Your second question, first part. First number is 951. Our unit digit is 1. Unit digit is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So your answer is 1. Second number 502. Our unit digit is 2. Unit digit is 2. So write here 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Next is third part. Now our unit digit is number is 329 and unit digit is 9. So write 9 into 9, 81. So unit digit is 1. Your answer is 1. Next, fourth. Now your number is 7,643. 7,643. Number at unit place is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Clear, students? In second question, we have 10 parts. So here discuss first, second, third, and fourth part. Now complete fifth to 10 parts using same method. Just note down the number at unit place, then number by then multiply by itself. First number at unit place is 1. 1 multiply 1. Your answer is 1. Second number is 502. Number at unit place is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Here our unit place is 9. 9 multiplied by 9, 81. So last digit is 1. Next is 3. 3 into 3, 9. Using same method, students, complete 6 to 10 parts. So this is first and second question of exercise 3.2. Clear, students? Next is third question. Yes, friends, your third question is, the following numbers are obviously not perfect square number. Give reason. Now, give reason why these numbers are not a perfect square. So, third question, students. Your first number is question number third, part A. These numbers are not a perfect square. It's already given. Now give reason why these numbers are not perfect square. First number is 4567. 4567. Yes, friends, give reason why this number is not a perfect square. Yes, friends, here again we are using property. If our last digit is 2, 3, 7 and 8. If your last digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then we can say this number is not a perfect square. Now here observe last digit at unit place is 7. So if our last is 2, 3, 7, 8, then we can say this number is not a perfect square. So reason is number 7. Reason is number 7 is at unit place, because number 7 is at unit place. So it means this number is not a perfect square. Students, next is part B. Yes, friends, your second number is 2453. 2453. Now, last digit is 3. Again, your reason is number 3 is at unit place. Number 3 is at unit place. Clear, students? Next is third part C. Now your number is 6298. 6298. Again, your last digit is 8. Again, your reason is number 8 is at unit place. Number 8 is at unit place. Next is D part. Now your number is 46,292. 46,292. Again, number 2 is at unit place. That's why 46,292 is not a perfect square. Clear, students? Again, reason is number 2 is at unit place. Next is part E, 64,000. 64,000. Now students, here we are using second property of perfect squares. If your number is ending with odd number of zeros, if your number is ending with odd number of zeros, then given number is not a perfect square. Now here we have 64,000. Now count the number of 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 0. 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. So it means 64,000 is not a perfect square. So reason is 0 is at last and 0 is repeated 3 times. 3 times. Odd number of zeros. So it means 64,000 is not a perfect square. Clear students? Now fourth question. Question number 4. Yes students, your fourth question is the square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number or even number and why? Your first number is 573. 573. Last 573. Last digit is 3. It means 573 is a odd number. Odd number. So it means it's a square of odd number because 573 is a odd number. Now give reason. Reason is 3 is at unit place. Our number is odd number. Second, 4096. 96. Last digit is 6. It means 4096 is a even number. Even. So it is a square of an even number because this number is even. Here we are using third property of perfect squares. If your number is odd or given number is odd, so it means it's a square of an odd number, and if your number is even, then it is a square of an even number. Clear students? Next is third part. 9267. Last digit is 7. Last digit 7. It means 9267 is a odd number. So it is a square of any odd number, and reason is last digit is 7 and 9207 is a odd number. Next is fourth, 57,916. 57,916. Last digit is 6. It means 57,916 is an even number. So it is a square of any even number. Clear students? So students, this is fourth question of exercise 3.2. Next is fifth question. Question number 5. Yes, we'll share fifth question. How many natural numbers lie between square of the following number? How many natural numbers lies between square of following numbers? Now your numbers are 12 and 13. Fifth question, first part. Your numbers are 12 and 13. Now question is, how many natural numbers lies between square of the following natural numbers? First we'll square 12 square and 13 square. Now 12 multiplied by 12, 144, and 13 multiplied by 13, 169. 69. Now in first step, square these two numbers. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144, and 13 multiplied by 13 is 169. Now find the difference of these two square numbers. 169 minus 144. Now of side subtract 144 from 169. 169 minus 144, 5. Difference is 25. So rule is 25, n minus 1. 25 minus 1 is 24. So here your answer is 24. So it means there are 24 natural numbers between between the square of 12 and 13. So your answer is 24. There are 24 natural numbers between the square of 12 and square of 13. Clear, students? Next is second part, fifth question, second part. How many natural numbers lie between square of the following number? Now numbers are 35 and 36. 35 and 36. First, we'll square these two numbers. 35 into 35, 35 square, and 36 square. Now 35 square, 35 multiplied by 35. Now students, in rough side, multiply 35 into 35. We have 1225. 35 into 35. Next is 36 square. 36 multiply 36. Now rough side, 36 into 36. 1296. 1296. Now find the difference. 1296 minus 1225. 19 minus 2, 7. So difference is 71. Again, rule is 71 minus 1 is equal to 70. So there are 70 natural numbers between the square of 35 and 36. So your answer is 70. Clear, students? So this is fifth question of exercise 3.2. It's the fifth question of exercise 3.2. Dear students, next is question number 6. Question number 6. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding, find the sum. Your numbers are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. Now, without adding, find the sum of these numbers. Now, students, first we'll observe these are all odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So this is a sequence of odd numbers. Yes, friends, this is a sequence of odd numbers. Now, without adding, how we can find the sum of these all odd numbers? For this, friends, you just count these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 numbers, and this is a sequence of odd numbers, and total numbers are 8. To find the sum, you just square this number. Total numbers are 8. 8 square. Now 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So students, sum of all numbers is 64. If we add all these odd numbers, then result is 64. Clear, students? This is sixth question, first part. Next is second part. Now again, adding without adding, find the sum. Now once again, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21, 23, 25, 27, and last number is 29. Clear, students? Now once again, observe all these numbers are odd. So this is a sequence of odd numbers. Now count these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these total numbers are 15. Now find, without adding, the sum of these numbers: 15 square. 15 square. Now 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225. So sum of all these numbers is 225. Yes, friends. So this is sixth question of exercise 3.2. Yes, friends. Today your homework is complete question 1 to 6 of exercise 3.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.